So far, we have been saving snapshots via commits on a local repository, but we haven't been collaborating with other people. And so, the most popular tool that is out there to collaborate your code and work on teams is github.com. And so, this is going to be where we upload our code to. After we commit, we'll go ahead and push our code from our local computer onto github.com. And so the first thing we're going to need to do is create a new repository. Then we're going to link our local repository to this github.com repository. And so I have a couple of different kind of accounts, but I'll just use myself, and I'll just call this git demo repository, and we'll just make a unique name. Git demo 2. Make this public or private. You can add a git ignore from a template. We'll leave that off for now, and you can add a license. Let's go ahead and create that repository. And the command is really interesting that we're going to use is actually right here, is the git remote command to add an origin. Origin is kind of like the single point of truth of this URL. So this is the command that we will run at the terminal to effectively link our local repo to this GitHub repo. So I'm going to go to my demo repo and open it in VSCode. And let's clear the screen and paste in that command. Git remote is the command, add origin, and then the URL to that github.com repository. And to check that it worked, we're going to do git remote -v, and you can see that we are now linked from our local repo to our remote repo.